According to Sanskrit, Kasan Harti iti Kashar. It means the substance or medicament which helps to pacify or get rid of cough is called Kashar. In other words, the potent medicines which are capable of pacifying the complaint of cough are termed by the name Kashar according to Ayurveda. Ayurveda considers cough as a Vat and cough predominant condition, where Avlambak cough, Pran and Udan Vat are mainly involved. The herbs prescribed here are capable of strengthening the chest and potent enough to take out the phlegm accumulated in the chest and throat due to expectorating action. They are rejuvenative, immunomodulator, and energizers too. Here are the top 10 Ayurvedic cough relieving herbs. Number 1. Draksh or raisin or Vitis vinifera. It has expectorant, tonic, rejuvenative, laxative, soothing, and hematinic effect. Number 2. Haritaki or Chebulic myrobalan or Terminalia chebula. It has laxative, digestive, carminative, anti-flatulent, and decongestant effect. Number 3. Amlaki or Indian gooseberry or Amlica officinalis. It has restorative, rejuvenative, complexion enhancer, and immunomodulator effect. Number 4. Pippali or long pepper or Piper longum. It has expectorant, antitussive, carminative, digestive, and liver stimulant effect. Number 5. Durlabh or Phagonia critica. It has decongestant, anti-inflammatory, hematinic, and antitussive effect. Number 6. Shungi or Rheus succedanea. It has bronchodilator, decongestant, expectorant, and scraping effect. Number 7. Kantkari or Solanum xanthocarpum. It has bronchodilator, anti-inflammatory, analgesic, antitussive, and expectorant effect. Number 8. Vrushchir or a white variety of Borhevia diffusa. It has rejuvenative, tissue replenisher, energizer, soothing, and diuretic effect. Number 9. Punarnava or a red variety of Borhevia diffusa. It has soothing, tissue replenisher, energizer, rejuvenating, and diuretic effect. Number 10. Tamlaki or Phyllanthus neruri. It has decongestant, liver tonic, liver stimulant, and anxiolytic effect. Qualities. Almost all the herbs in this group are bitter and pungent in taste, hot in potency, and are undergoing pungent kind of metabolic change. Few of the herbs like Draksh, Amlaki, and Tamlaki are having sweet taste, cold in potency, and are sweet on metabolic change. So, as per the nature, these herbs have dual action for both dry cough as well as cough with expectoration. Therapeutic uses. They are effective in cold, nasal congestion, throat pain, laryngitis, pharyngitis, tonsillitis, chronic rhinitis, headache, etc. Contraindications. The herbs which are causing dryness and that which act as expectorants should be used as per the need on proper analysis of doshic dominance. If they are prescribed in contrary, they may worsen the condition. How to take Draksh Kashai with sugar candy works well in dry cough. Similarly, the Pippali powder with honey is effective in cough with expectoration. Tamlaki powder or decoction is effective in allergic rhinitis and allergic bronchitis conditions. Depending on the doshic dominance and chronicity of the illness or stage of cough, potent dosage forms can be made like tablets, chewable tablets, linctus, syrup, etc. The lozenges can also be made with suitable adjuvants and binding agents. Hope this information brings health in your life. Thank you.